Ellarku Vanakkam, this is Sri Reddy, and thank you so much. All of you guys are here and attending this press meet, and I respect you guys. Being a journalist, I respect each and every journalist who are back of the camera and who are in front of the camera. So, thank you so much for attending this press meet. So, I will start the matter, and please don't interrupt in between of this thing whenever I'm talking. Can you please maintain little silence, please? Sir, please, little bit. Thank you for the silence. Today I'm feeling a little, very little bad about a few newspapers. I'm so sorry to say that being a journalist, I have values and I have ethics, and in front of the camera, I should talk few things, and even I crossed my limits. Sometimes I agree my bad points and good points, and little bit bad about a few newspapers, because without knowing the fact or truth, few papers only, they wrote as they like. Being a media person, I know the value of the journalism. Still, I'm working as a journalist, few of the YouTube channels and few of the channels. Back of the camera, I'm working still as a journalist. And damaging or assassinating the character is crime. We all know. And so, few newspapers, I'm requesting, even news channels also, damaging a lady character, or not only ladies or anyone, damaging the character is wrong. And we have to maintain some ethics. Not only media, not only print media, not only electronic media, we should concern about the ladies. All you guys knows, I always fight for the women. I'm very much strong in my position, being a activist, being a feminist, whatever you call, but I'm very much strong to take all of this, Rala Debalu Andan stones, who are throwing stones on my character, who are throwing stones on me directly, indirectly. I'm ready to face. Even not only for me, if you guys are throwing any stones on any other lady also, I will be the first person who will fight for that woman, good or bad. So you people has to contact me after you get an idea, after you get a ఏమంటారు ఏం చెప్తారా, after you get a news, you have to contact victim or you have to contact a police. Without having any evidence, without having any idea, imaginary stories giving to the media or giving or ఏమంటారు ప్రసారం చేయడం ఏమంటారు, telecasting in the TV, writing in the newspapers is a little hurted. I seriously hurted. They brought a bad name on my character. So now I am talking about the truth and I'm giving the clarity. So if you guys don't believe me, you people recheck with the police, assistant commissioner. You people can talk with the assistant commissioner of the police. So the fact is, I'm starting the fact. This person name called Subramanyam, alias Sharath Babu. I hope you guys got any FIR copies? No? Print copies, no? Okay, we will provide the print copies. Print copies ready hai na? Okay, you please give it to the every media person. Okay. This Subramanyam alias Sharath Babu, and this name is using in Hyderabad, actually Sharath Babu called this name. When he was in Hyderabad, he created address proofs also on this Sharath Babu name. He did a scam in Hyderabad, high-tech city, and 2 FIRs on his name in Madhapur police station. 22 members complained in this issue, in this scam actually. All these are victims. Still victims are coming out and still that victims are complaining in the Madhapur police station. And I will provide the remand report also in the evening. He has many cases in Telangana. He is telling to Tamil Nadu police and many people, and to the many people that me only created all these cases. How can I, sir? This person only cheated many people and he took money from the he collected lot of money from the people that he will give the loans and crores of money loans we will get it from our company and you give some 30 lakhs or 2 lakhs or, and it depends upon the opposite person's capacity. He collected lot of money. Okay. And I'm nowhere related to this case. This scam case, I'm nowhere related. I'm nowhere related. Past 1 year, I'm the only one case that I'm fighting for the casting couch. I'm busy with the casting couch. And how can I create the mess in Hyderabad? That how can I create the proofs and all? Simply, he is giving wrong statements to the media. I just wanted to clear all of these things. So, part of the investigation from Telangana police, from Telangana, these police officers, they came to the Chennai and me and Ravidevan Garu, he is my producer, Ravidevan Garu and me, they investigated us and they asked where is Subramanyam Garu house and where is Subramanyam Garu office and all. We showed, right? We went with the police and we showed all of his places. So only grudge he has in his mind and his heart is, we did all this mess. So that grudge kept in his mind, that's the reason he attacked me. He gave money to my producer. What is the mess between my financier and the producer? Ravi Garu will explain now. Okay? I am just an actress in this movie, name called Reddy Diary. Unnecessary, they dragged me into lot of mess, and he has very bad background with this with his criminal history in Hyderabad. We found that some of the lady staff in his complaint, this Subramanyam used his staff also, lady staff also he used physically. That if you have any doubts, you people can contact the Madhapur police. So they will provide all of the facts and whatever I am talking, no, you people can recheck with the Madhapur police station, Telangana. The second thing, why I compromised in this case, everyone question is, Sri Reddy, why she compromised, why she took back the case? That is the doubt all of you guys have. So I will give the clarity about that also. Out of the police station, few people stand. You know that Subramanyam persons, I guess. What guess? It is truth. Subramanyam people threatened me out of the police station, and after I compromised, okay, not before compromise, after I compromised. So reason is why I compromised myself in this case is, only reason is his wife. His wife called to my manager, even his person name called Subbaraman. His wife told to my manager that my family went through so many problems, and as a single parent, she is a single mother because this person was in jail. Past 4 months, he is in jail, Subramanyam. So she requested me, as a single parent, it is very much tough to survive in this society. He has many cases on his name. We are struggling a lot without Subramanyam. Please concern my kids. Please forgive him. She cried, and being a woman, I melted. Yeah. End of the day, I'm a human being. Might be you people are men. I'm a woman. Being a woman, I seriously melted because of his tears. When someone is crying, obviously we will melt. And that too, I'm fighting for the women. She is also a woman. So, that's the reason I concerned his tears. And anyhow, I'm fighting for the women rights and women peace. I had no other choice. So these people worried about, and also this is already 2 FIRs in his name, Subramaniam name. If I keep a case again, PD Act will apply. We can apply the PD Act on his name. So that criminal history, it will show his criminal history, and Gunda Act, it will apply on his name. So that's the reason she was very much worried, and she is requested me, if you apply the case, it will be very big case, it will become very big case. Don't do that for my kids. And she requested like anything, and she cried a lot. That's the only reason. No. I will complete in one moment. Please, జ్ఞాపకంలో పెట్టుకోండి. You can ask me. 2 lines just. And she assured that he will never ever disturb me again. It's my promise and all. So being a girl, I understand his her emotions. So I took my case back. So in front of the assistant commissioner, can I talk? Okay. In front of the assistant commissioner, he and Gopi is 20 years old. He is very small kid. I was very much surprised when he is attacking me and my manager, and he was very cruel. He is a small paya yaar. He is into criminal background. He is doing criminal things. I was very much surprised. And he is 20 years old. My manager is 60 years old. He didn't even give respect to his age. So finally he also, Gopi and Subramaniam touched my feet. They are trying to touch my feet in front of the assistant commissioner. I said no. Your wife already called, and she is requesting, you don't need to touch my feet and all. Don't act. Tomorrow Oscar will arrive soon for you, for your acting and all, I told. And in front of this, all these things are happening in front of the assistant commissioner only. So you people can recheck. So, and also he assured that we never ever disturb in my life. We will not touch you, we will not call you, we will not disturb you, and all they told in front of the assistant commissioner. And with all these things, I convinced myself, and if it is wrong, if I did anything wrong, being a woman and melting as a woman, you just ask me what is wrong to take out this case and to compromise myself and all, you can ask me. Next, I'm going to HRC, and I don't want to leave this person because he is so cruel, and that Gopi also very cruel. That's the reason I don't want to leave them. Again, Monday, this is Saturday and Sunday weekend, it will not be, I think they will not work. So Monday, me and Ravidevan Garu, we are going to HRC, that we have a threat from these persons, Gopi and Subramaniam. By the way, this Gopi is very cruel. My manager 60 plus aged, but still in small age he is doing criminal activities. So I don't want to take a chance with my life. Because I have only one life, I don't want to take a chance with these criminals. So I'm going to HRC, and I'm giving the complaint that I have a threat from these persons. So we will ask the justice, and we will ask the security to the HRC. And we respect police, and we respect media, and we respect HRC, we respect women, and considering the Subramaniam wife only, we took back the case. If you guys have any questions now, you can ask me. Actually, this thing happened in midnight 11:30, sir. Day before yesterday. I think we have to consider 11:30 is. I think 3:30 like that. Police came and they registered the complaint. I signed also. I don't know why police didn't register it. They called me in the afternoon to the assistant commissioner office. We went to assistant commissioner office. They only wrote everything, and again I signed. Okay. And why they didn't, there only all panchayati happened. Okay. In police station only, not going and coming. what is happening means police has to tell and I have to tell. I told you already what is already happened. So, any doubts? That's what, out of the police station, Subramaniam persons threatened me. If you want to survive in Tamil movie industry, if you want to survive safely here in Tamil Nadu, you have to take back the case. And we are from the Devar community. We are very much famous here and all. They threatened me. And I will not consider all of those things. I never care about all those things because I fight it with the very big people. You know, if I keep the case, I don't want to take it back. But only women consider. I consider her his wife. And as a single parent, how she is taking the pain. She actually she cried a lot. Only for only one reason, I took my case back. If PD Act will apply, na? If PD Act will apply on that person, we can mash his career and his life and everything. It will be in very risky. Yeah, next question. Ma'am, we 3:30 only we gave the written complaint. Police only they wrote the complaint. I signed in midnight of 3:30. I don't know why they didn't register. You please ask the police. I don't know what is the understanding between police and that people. I don't know. I respect police, but I don't know what is the what in between went. Yeah, I have 8 cameras, ma'am. But after they enter into my house, they switched off the CC camera switch. Yeah, we can see. Ma'am, I'm telling you, if they need proofs also, I'm ready to provide the proofs. Okay? And also, I told to the police also, sir, I will collect the proofs. Police told me, single blood drop also not there on his manager head. How can we apply the, it is a reminder ki pampinchadaniki veelledani cheppara. We can't remand this person and all. He told, sir, he touched me here and he dragged me from the back of my dress. My dress also disturbed. I showed to the police officer also. This is coming under to the harassment only. We can keep the case, I told. And also he tried to robbery my car also. My Audi car, he tried to robbery my car. That is also coming under to the robbery. And also attempt to murder, it will come into attempt to murder. And these people forced me to do that. That's the reason I took the case back. See, only thing is I consider the wife only. I don't have any other forces like, yeah, after I... Not true, What not true? You know, Did you see,
You also withdraw the complaint because his wife told something blah blah blah.
Yeah. What blah blah blah? Not it is blah blah blah. What is my problem?
AC office la ellame ukkandu pesi avanga romba
No, sir. What? Sir, listen to me. If I one second.
உடைச்ச பீஸ் எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டாங்க நம்ம
Sir, listen to me. Sir, listen to me.
இல்ல அவங்க வைஃப் கன்சிடர் பண்றாங்க.
Hello. If I compromise myself, I don't need listen, sir. Sir, listen to me first. You people are asking 5-6 questions at a time. I have to give the answer. You people are not giving me chance. Why I am going to HRC again? HRC means more powerful than police. You should consider that.
நான் அடுத்து கிரிமினல் இது போறேங்கறாங்க.
Why I am going?
எனக்கு இப்ப நியாயம் கிடைக்கலன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அவதான். கரெக்ட்டா புரிஞ்சிட்டு நியாயம் கிடைக்கல.
I asked to Hello sir, listen to me first please. Give me chance.
இல்ல தாக்குதல் பண்ணது இல்ல. வந்து இத புடிக்கிட்ட கேமரா என்ட்ரி ஆன உடனே அவங்க இத எடுத்துட்டாங்களா?
Sir. you are not a crime, you are a crime reporter, just listen to me how it happened. 3 people came, okay? We are 2 people. We are at dining table. Okay, dining table, there is no CC camera. Okay, I'm also journalist, I'm also crime reporter once upon a time in Sakshi TV. I know. Huh? No, I'm not using a media. No, you are asking the question, I'm also telling the... What?
You are using a media and get the popularity and then get a chance.
To get the popularity, yeah. For me, I need a popularity, yeah. Only in Tamil media? Only in Tamil media? Only in the Tamil media? No. All over I have, in foreign also I came, my name in the, everywhere. This is for the popularity, and attacking that person is the popularity. Did you see the marks and all everywhere? Did you see? And did you see the mess? Did you come to my house? No. You please call. You please talk with. You please talk with the police. You please talk with the assistant commissioner. You talk with the assistant commissioner. What happened? Why we will create the mess in front of the camera and all? Why we will talk like this? And we are providing the FIR copies, everything about that person, and you people don't consider his criminal history, yeah? And we are providing everything, no?
நீங்க வந்து அசிங்கம் நம்பர் கொடுக்குறோம், நீங்க பேசுங்க. அவங்கள தான் வான் பண்ணாங்க. அவர் வந்து கால வேளை வந்தாரு. மீடியா மேல தானே அந்த நியூஸ் எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு தெரியாது. அதுதான் நாங்க ஜஸ்டிஃபை பண்றாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான்.
Sir, Subramanyam is thinking that Subramanyam is giving all to the media is I am only created this mess. 22 members kept the case on his name, on his scam, and he collected the money from the many of the people. 22 members came out, and 22 members 2 FIRs filed, right? 2 FIRs filed, and also I will provide the remand report also. And next question, please. And don't tell me that this is for the publicity sake and all. It is really hurting me. It is very wrong question. Next, please. Yeah. We will definitely provide that. Okay, that I will promise that. We will provide that. Sorry, sir?
You call me, no? You call me 7 o'clock for manager. I inform that 7 o'clock you call to manager for compromise that the financial
Compromise.
He is asking.
See, sir, we contacted. Oh, that
o'clock.
compromise. Actually, Subramanyam is thinking bad about myself and Ravi Devan. He is thinking that we only took Telangana police to his house. We only took them to office places and all. He is thinking. So we wanted to clarify the things. Subramanyam Garu, we didn't do anything. We wanted to clear the things. Just come. We will clear the things. And before one day, Ravi Devan Garu house also he attacked. True or fake? You please question him. Before one day, that Subramanyam went to Ravi Devan Garu house. That's the reason we called to Subramanyam Garu, this is not good. Attacking the house is very bad thing. And next day, he attacked my house. Okay, before one day, he is the Sakshi. Talk, sir.
Actually, 7 o'clock வர சொன்னது உண்மை. 7 o'clock வர சொல்லிருக்காங்க, மேனேஜர் வர சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஆனா இவர் வந்து 7 o'clock 11:30 வந்திருக்காரு. Actually அதான் உண்மை. வரக்கூடாது, நாளைக்கு வாங்க சொன்னாங்க, மீறி வந்தாரு. அவர் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரு. என்ன வர சொன்னாங்க அப்படிங்கறாங்க.
சார், அப்ப நேத்து மேல நீங்க விசாரணைக்கு போனீங்களா, போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷன்ல போனீங்களா?
நான் கூட இருந்தேன்.
போய் போயிட்டு நீங்க மேம் பண்ணலாம். ஆனா போய் நீங்க வந்து யாரால தப்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு பதில் கொடுத்தா சொல்லிட்டு
நோ இப்போ நான் ஏசி கிட்ட நீங்க ஏசி சார் கால் பண்ணலாம். ஏசி சார் கூட இருந்தாங்க. அவங்கள தான் மிரட்டி அனுப்பிச்சாங்க இல்லையா?
சாயந்தரம் 3 மணி வரைக்கும் நீங்க கோயம்பேடு தாண்டதுக்கு போல உங்களுக்கு முதல் நாள் நேற்று முந்தின இரவு 11 மணில உங்க போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷன்ல கூப்பிட்டாங்க. கோயம்பேடு கேட்டது கூப்பிட்டாங்க. அவங்க 3 மணி வரைக்கும் நீங்க வந்து போகவே இல்லை.
2 மணிக்கு அசன் கம்சன் மீட்டிங். 3 மணிக்கு கூட இல்ல 2 மணிக்கு
Hello sir. 11:30 he came to my house. I will tell you entire what happened. I will explain to you. 11:30 1 hour discussion was very 1.5 hour. It was very cool. There is no fighting because I'm explaining the things and he is understanding me cool. Next 3 persons. They are 3 persons. They came to my house. We don't know that the 2 persons are very cruel. That one more person is there. He is very cool. He understood the situation. In between of the conversation, he went out because something is going on. I don't want to be in this mess and all. He went off. One small Paya and Subramanyam, they already drunk. They came to my house. and he accepted in front of the assistant commissioner also. He told that I'm excess of the drinking, that's the reason I behaved like that, and he accepted his mistake in front of the assistant commissioner. Okay, this is all we don't need to create, and you can ask to the assistant commissioner. We are not doing for the publicity for that person, I'm telling. Yeah. Not 7 maniki. He didn't come at 7 o'clock. He came after 11:30 he came. He told that we are nearby only. Because of you only we came. Only 5 minutes we will talk and we will go, and he requested. That's the reason I see, we know him no personally. I don't know that he is that criminal minded. But we asked to come inside. 1.5 hours he talked very cool and very nice. After that he created the mess. In between of the discussion he lost his temper. Temper? What do I? This manager, he only introduced, sir. My manager is there, na? Subramaniam's friend only, that manager. Only for the Telugu. He is a Telugu person. I don't know Tamil, no. That's the reason that manager came in between. Okay. These people already friends, no. These people started fighting. No, Mohan, you only created all this mess. And how they know my house, how they know my office and all. And they started fighting. In between of that conversation only, he attacked my manager, and when I throwed him back, he attacked me also. Okay? And next question, please. Sir, tell me.
No. Every rent and advance given to that.
Oh my God, I will tell you.
No, accept.
See, I will tell you. But wait a second, I will tell you. Wait. Yeah, I will tell you. Sir, give me chance, yaar. I will tell you. Asking same question again and again. What is the reason? I will tell you. Past 4 months he is in jail. You people know very well. If he is in jail, how can he transfer the money? You tell me. Logic.
No.
Yaar, nena. Subramania house, wife is there now. How can I go?
Unga veedu, he know the house.
He don't know the house.
He know the house.
Because this manager and this person are already friends. Before past 10 years or something, these people are connected. When he was in jail also, these people are connected, and these people have some mess. I don't know what is that.